Hi, this is Nick with the Bomb Lawn, thebomblawn.com here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Today I just wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to aerate your lawn. What you're going to want to do to get the most oxygen down into the root system is soak the lawn really well first. Whether your sprinkler system is on already or if it's not on yet, use a garden hose and just soak the lawn really well. System isn't on yet, you're just going to soak the lawn really good. Give it a deep soak for about 30 minutes. Just soak the grass really well, because what's going to happen is it's going to create a much bigger core, benefit your grass, and that's why you're doing it in the first place. With a machine like this, you can make your first couple perimeter passes around the lawn to make sure you don't hit anything, say, a retaining wall like this. I'll cut in the video and showing me aerating so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, how you can just make circles with a machine like this. Every other machine, you're literally, when you're doing your lines, you're dropping that thing up and down over and over and over. But this one allows you to actually leave the tines down as you're going in circles. that's why you want to soak the grass really well, because if you're aerating a dry lawn, the core is going to break off about halfway, and you're not going to get. Soaking the lawn first is what actually gives you the deep core aeration. But if your lawn is dry, you're only going to get half the core. So just a couple tips and tricks on how to aerate your lawn.